Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and yesterday I did a collab with a wonderful group of ladies, and what we did was Christmas dresses for AG dolls based on the 2025 American Girl doll Christmas dresses that American Girl put out. And so I went and got a miniature doll to match the doll I showed yesterday. I'll pick that up in just a second. You can watch that video right here on this channel and then follow the links to all the ladies' channels to see it. Ooh, that got full, didn't it? Let's run a... That's probably the wrong thing to do. She has beautiful hair. I bought her on eBay, and I was so pleased with how beautiful she was. I'm going to have to get a rubber band and pull that hair back. Wow, that is a lot of beautiful hair. But I washed it and put it in curlers that Darren made. I want to point these out. He made these exactly the size that I asked for. I love them. Anyway, I went ahead. He also made these little shoes, the little gold shoes that they have on the AG site for the bigger dog. You put these shoes on from the little toe over, and you'll hear the click. And boy, I love these shoes. They just stay on the feet. He first made these for Bly's. Look, love that. Oh, look at that hair. Love it, love it, love it. This is the dress that I made her. I made it in the same colors, and I used the same tooling as I did for the 18-inch doll. And I used the darker fabric underneath as they have on the AG doll, and short sleeve. What I didn't do is, I'm not big on missing shoulders, asymmetrical, whatever you want to call them. I don't really like them. So I did a full bodice, and let's get her dressed and pull her hair back. So here she is in her little dress based on the American Girl 2025 dress on the site. She has on her little gold shoes. I sewed a charm onto the front of her bodice. She has a little gold chain. And can a little girl's hair be too curly? I don't think so. I added a gold bow at the top of her very curly hair. I love her. I just love her. The back, I needed to iron this, but you can't iron tulle that has the metallic on it. All you do is make a mess. So this is my little girl in her miniature 2025 American Girl Christmas dress. Please leave a like, a comment, and our lighting, it is very, very gloomy outside. We've done everything. God love Darren. He's went and got other lights and all kinds of stuff. But bear with us today for the lighting. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.